In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print front and back on Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up double-sided printing so your pages look clean and you save paper. Before we begin, keep in mind that your printer must support duplex or double-sided printing. If it doesn't, the option simply won't appear. That's a printer feature, not a Google Docs limitation. Start by opening Google Docs and loading the document you want to print. Make sure everything looks the way you want: page breaks, margins, and headers, because your printout will follow what you see in the document. Next, open the print menu. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command+P. You can also click the small printer icon at the top of Google Docs. Either way, you'll see the print preview window, which gives you a snapshot of how your pages will look on paper. In this window, find and click More Settings. This expands additional options that aren't visible by default and is where most duplex settings live. Now, enable double-sided printing. Look for an option labeled Print on both sides, two-sided or duplex printing, and turn it on. Some printers also show a choice like Flip on Long Edge or Flip on Short Edge. Long Edge is typical for portrait documents, while Short Edge is often used for landscape. If you see a preview, take a quick look to confirm the pages are arranged correctly. If you don't see any double-sided option here, use the System Print dialog. Click Print using System dialog. Depending on your browser, this might be a link or a button near the bottom of the window. In the System dialog, open your printer's preferences or properties. The wording varies by brand, but you're looking for settings named two-sided, duplex, print on both sides, or something similar. Enable it, and again, choose the correct flip edge if that appears. Once your duplex setting is on, you're ready to print. Click Print to start. Give your printer a moment. Many models briefly pause as they flip the pages internally, which is normal. Avoid pulling paper out or interrupting the job while it's working. To recap, the double-sided option is controlled by your printer and may appear either under More Settings in Google's print window or inside the System Print dialog. When enabled, your document will print on both the front and the back of each sheet. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.